I don't know if you also happen to have a spouse or a significant other that likes to volunteer you for random things that they decide to do, but I have a wonderful wife who is the classroom mom for our daughter's kindergarten class. And every kindergarten class has a classroom mom. They got together on this email list and then they decided, what should our trunk or treat fall theme be this year? So ideas were thrown out and my wife suggested it's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. A classic from 1966, and if I do have a little confession that I have to make about It's a Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. The confession I have to make is that I'm almost 37 years old, and I've never seen the 1966 classic, It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. Maybe I'll watch it this year, and if you're wondering if I've lived under a rock my entire childhood, yes, I did. And this is a picture of my family home. Just kidding. But I did grow up in a German-themed town in the North Georgia mountains called Helen. Anyway, let's get back to the topic at hand. Putting all that to the side, she said that, we'll take care of, a certain decoration because she saw this picture and thought that it was a good idea, and everyone else thought it was a good idea. So she said, we'll take care of a streamer idea that she had, and then the Linus holding the Welcome Great Pumpkin sign. And so naturally, she came to me saying, hey, guess what? I had the best idea, everyone liked it, so we're going to do this idea together. She said, don't worry, I'll take care of the streamer, and then you can do the Linus. And I said, okay, well, what does that look like? So she showed me the picture, and I said, well, this is going to be a little bit of time, and I guess I can do it. She's like, oh yeah, every time you do anything like this, it always turns out fine. And see, the issue I have is I like being type A, I like making it perfect, and I like making something that will last and stand up a little bit to the elements. So I'm going to go to Home Depot, I'm going to buy some medium density fiberboard, probably 1/4 of an inch. I will say one of the images I liked, Linus's hand is really ganky looking that's holding the sign. So I'm going to use Photoshop, merge a couple images together, save the image, project it on the medium density fiberboard, and then I'm going to cut it out with a jigsaw. We're going to paint it. I'm going to make 2 little legs so it can stand up on its own. And I hope with you seeing this project that if you have spouses or significant others that want you to do something like this.
You heard about Fury and a Woman Scorned, haven't you? Yes.
You can say, oh, I got it. I learned how to do something like this, and even though it's a pain, I love you, I love our child, if you have a child, and I will do my best. So, hope you enjoy the video. All right, here we have the finished product. We have Linus with the sign, Welcome Great Pumpkin, and everything else. So it turned out pretty good. And I made these stands, as you can see from the pictures. And I'm sure it'll make a pretty nice addition to the trunk or treat that we got going on. So I know this made my wife happy, and happy wife, happy life.
You owe me restitution!
And I know that my daughter in kindergarten is really going to enjoy seeing it too.